How much do you need? How much do you need? He is still alive. He is still alive. I do this for a living. I do this for a living. You did your part. You did your part. You have 1 hour. You have 1 hour. I kind of understand. I kind of understand. He took a picture. He took a picture. Where is the bookstore? Where is the bookstore? Who gave you this? Who gave you this? I have a meeting. I have a meeting. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. He was right after all. He was right after all. Do your job. Do your job. She told me everything. She told me everything. This is frustrating. This is frustrating. What's your name? What's your name? I am sorry to hear that. I am sorry to hear that. Is it okay if I take the last piece? Is it okay if I take the last piece? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Should I go to her soccer game? Should I go to her soccer game? You can go if you want to. You can go if you want to. Approximately how much is your budget? Approximately how much is your budget? How's the weather tomorrow? How's the weather tomorrow? It looks like it's going to rain again. It looks like it's going to rain again. Are you coming? Are you coming? I'll be right there. I'll be right there. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? I lost my pet dog today. I lost my pet dog today.